In the world of precision manufacturing, excellence begins with the right materials. At O'Hare Precision Metals, we understand the importance of choosing the perfect material for your project. Today, we're diving into the remarkable properties of 416 stainless steel bar stock. 416 stainless steel is a free machining, martensitic stainless steel known for its exceptional machinability and corrosion resistance. This versatile material finds its place in various industries, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and many others. Its outstanding machinability allows for intricate and precise components to be manufactured with ease. With high tensile strength and hardness, 416 stainless steel is well suited for applications that require durability and strength. At O'Hare Precision Metals, we pride ourselves on delivering top-quality 416 stainless round bar stock to meet your exact specification. With our advanced facilities, skilled technicians, and rigorous quality control processes, we ensure that every piece of 416 stainless steel bar stock meets the highest standards. Contact us today or visit our website to learn more about how O'Hare Precision Metals can provide you with the finest 416 stainless steel bar stock for your manufacturing needs.